Ready to experience silence? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones redefine peace with their industry-leading noise cancellation. Imagine silencing noisy commutes or focusing intently in a bustling office. These headphones make it effortlessly possible, creating an immersive auditory sanctuary. And you won't be tethered to a charger, thanks to an incredible 30-hour battery life that lasts for days on a single charge. Whether it's a cross-country flight or week-long listening, the XM5s keep your music going without interruption. Switching devices is seamless with multipoint connection, letting you jump from your phone to your laptop instantly. No more fumbling. It's an intelligent feature that makes these the most versatile wireless headphones you can own. For anyone searching for the best noise-canceling headphones, the sound quality and comfort of the XM5 are truly unmatched. If you're looking to upgrade your audio experience, find the best deal on the Sony WH-1000XM5 right now via the Amazon link in the description below. Seriously, for unparalleled silence, marathon battery life, and ultimate convenience, the Sony WH-1000XM5 is absolutely a must-buy in 2025.